Here comes the rain. Very heavy now. Thunder in the background. Look at that. Coming down. We do need rain. Not so windy at least. Clouds out there. Clouds. I'm gonna get tripped on over here. Rain, 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 rain. Wanna hear thunder. Thank you. Thank you for the thunder. Tree, the wind up there. Getting windy. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I thought it was gonna miss us. Really didn't look like it was gonna miss us over here. I'm glad we are getting some rain now. Wow, look at that. Very cool. Good storm. As long as we don't lose power, it's all good. We do need the rain. Here comes the hurricane. Wow. Getting heavy now. Let a tree blow around. Look at that now. Oh, look at that. Nice. Isn't that nice? Ooh. The light went on. Rain, 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 rain. August 13, 2025. Sometime after 4 o'clock. The thunder. Crackling. Wind better than the rain. Damn, we stopped the video now.